This is the AP Stats Quideo 4 basic problem brought to you by Peyton Wood. Researchers studying iron deficiency in infants examined infants who were following different feeding patterns. One group of 26 infants were being breastfed. At 6 months of age, these children had mean hemoglobin levels of X bar equals 9.12 grams per 100 milliliters of blood, with a standard deviation of 6.1 grams per 100 milliliters of blood. Give a 90% confidence interval for the mean hemoglobin level of breastfed infants. And reminder, put on your pants. PANTS is of course an acronym standing for P, parameter, A, assumptions, N, name the test, T, test your statistic, and S, summarize your findings. Our parameter is the mean hemoglobin levels in grams per 100 milliliters of blood in infants. To make a confidence interval, we assume that the infants were chosen through a simple random sample. In addition, we assume that the 26 chosen is less than 1/10 of the total population of infants. Lastly, the central limit theorem, which states that if n is greater than 30, there is a normal distribution, is not applied, because n is in fact 26. Because of this, we now will proceed with caution for our results. We use a one-sample mean t confidence interval, as shown by the equation here. We cannot use a z-score for this because we do not know there's a normal distribution because n is less than 30, so we use the t-score instead. We will use the following variables to find our confidence interval: x bar equal to 12.9 grams, standard deviation equal to 1.6 grams, n equal 26, degrees of freedom 25, to give us a t-star value of 1.708 with degrees of freedom 25 and 90% confidence. Our found interval is 12.9 plus or minus 0.535946 grams per 100 milliliters of blood. In summary, we are 90% confident that the true mean hemoglobin levels of infants is between 12.3641 and 13.4359 grams per 100 milliliters of blood. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the Advanced and AP problems.
Created using Powtoon.